Marinades, it's CiCi here, and today we're gonna make a classic Sichuan dish, 辣子鸡丁. It is super numbling, super spicy. It is this delicious chicken stir fry in a mountain high of chili peppers. So let's get started. First, we're gonna cut the chicken thighs into 3/4 inch pieces. Then in a large bowl, we're gonna add in the chicken pieces and marinate it with soy sauce, Shaoxing wine, salt, white pepper, sesame oil, and egg white. And then we're gonna mix well. The egg white is going to make our chicken super nice and tender. Also, we're gonna add in the cornstarch and mix again. The cornstarch is the coating for the chicken. And lastly, we're going to add in canola oil. This will help the chicken not to sticking together too much while deep frying. Let it marinate for 15 minutes. While waiting, we can cut the rest of the ingredients. Now, in your wok over high heat, we're gonna add about 3 cups of canola oil. You can also use other relatively higher smoking point oil and heat it up to about 350 degrees Fahrenheit or 177 degrees Celsius. You can test the oil temperature with a pair of wooden chopsticks. So stick the chopsticks into the oil, and if you see lots of tiny bubbles immediately form around them, then the oil is ready for frying. And carefully transfer the chicken into the oil. I just put all the chicken together at once, but it might be better to just put one by one so then the chicken won't stick together so easily. If they do, you can just try to separate them during the frying process. It's also not a big deal. And we're gonna fry them for about 3 minutes until golden. And now we're gonna take them out. And we're gonna continue to heat the oil to 375 degrees Fahrenheit or 191 degrees Celsius. Return the chicken and fry for another 30 seconds. So by doing so, the chicken will be crispier and not as greasy. So when the oil temperature is higher than previously, it forces the chicken to release the extra oil from the inside, and therefore the chicken is crispy and not greasy. Take it out and put it on a paper towel lined plate to drain. In another wok over high heat, we're gonna heat the wok to smoking hot. And I'm gonna turn it to the lowest heat. Add about 4 tablespoons of oil. Add in the Sichuan peppercorns. Is also known for its amazing aroma. We're also gonna add the green Sichuan peppercorns. The green ones are more numbling than the regular Sichuan peppercorns, so we're adding 2 types here. And we're gonna put in the dry red chili peppers. And also dry lantern chili peppers. We use 2 types of chili peppers because they're different in taste. The lantern chili peppers are more aromatic. Add in the ginger, garlic, scallions, the white part, and stir fry until aromatic for about a minute. And now we're gonna turn up the heat to the highest setting and then return the chicken. Also add salt, sugar, white pepper. Stir fry until everything mixes well. And lastly, we're gonna toss in sesame seeds. Doesn't it look amazing? Yum. I wish that you can be here right now because the aroma in this room is really amazing. At the same time, it's super numbling spicy. Okay, so 辣子鸡丁, let's give it a try. So amazing. When you eat this, if you're not familiar with the numbling sensation, you might be a little shocked actually. It is really numbling, it's really spicy. This is really authentic Sichuan food. Oh, it's just so good. It's so crunchy. If you have any questions, always comment below and remember to subscribe, thumbs up. I will see you again next Friday, and please also share this awesome spicy video with your friends and family. I'd like to also stay in touch on Facebook, YouTube, and also Instagram. Bye now! 真的是有点辣，不过还是继续吃，真的好好吃哦，我觉得。赞。我觉得我可以一个人把它吃光光。